All right, guys, we made it to Schomberg, and I'm here repping my Fueled by Haters t-shirt, and we're gonna walk around and take a look at some of the cars. Now, this Derby here has kind of really upped it in the last couple of years. They've taken their prize money and they've put it into the 5 digits. When I say that, like, you'll be like, oh, my Derby pays out a lot more, but let's just do a quick rotation. This is the amount of cars here, guys. For a fair to put out $12,000 to $14,000 with this amount of cars is amazing for the drivers and the fair board. They really bring everybody together to do this, and it's not cheap. So let's do a little bit. Actually, I really like the fair for doing this. You know, good money, close to home, and they really like the locals. So let's take a walk around and see some of the cars here. So they're gonna have junk run and they're gonna have mini stock. So the stock car mini here lets you change bumpers to 70s or 80s bumpers as long as they're factory. So you have a Caravan over here. It looks like a Cadillac bumper, square tubing in it maybe?
That's your old bumper, Zach.
That's my old bumper?
That was on that Cadillac you sold to Dan.
I should have never sold that bumper. It looks so good sitting there. We have Eddie's car. This thing here was actually built at my place. I do not take credit for any of the building of this car, but it's here. We got Andrew over here with another very well built Camry. Nope. She says shittily built. We have a Corolla. Now this one here is a newer Corolla. This one here is like a 03 to 06. They're not a full sub car, but hopefully this thing does pretty good. This car right over here is like an 06 to 09 Honda Accord. Now, a lot of these old Hondas, if they have 5-bolt, they're V6. If they have 4-bolt, they're 4-cylinder. I'm not sure if that goes for this year as new. Now, these are one of the cars you really don't see around here anymore, and this is an Alero. And they're from Arizona. From Arizona. That's just desert sand falling off of it there, right? These cars here, they rotted out really bad. So we have another Toyota Camry over here. It looks like a very well-built Camry. It's gonna be tough to beat this one. There's my car, still on the trailer. You know, I tried to start it this morning. Wasn't too happy with the weather, but I knew it just needed to be cleaned out a bit. So we have a camera in Eddie's car. We have a camera in this car as well. This one right here is being driven by Nathan Prince, another local driver, bringing out one of his W bodies. This thing looks very well built. So we'll have to see how he does. We have a camera inside this minivan for junk run. Oh, she's having a hard time coming off. We'll let her be. Over here, looks like we have 2 well-built Toyota Camrys. Is that Rock Guard? Rock Guard. Rock Guard all down the sides.
I didn't have black.
Black is black, man. Doesn't matter if it's textured or not.
Blue on the back, and I'm like, I'm quality, man.
So we got some more Caravans here, number 94. Now this is a bit different. A Jeep Nitro? Dodge Nitro, I think? Dodge Nitro. Unibody, junk run. That's a bit different, guys. So this is the quality of the pits, and the track is not a whole lot better. Oh, he's a little close to the ground on the back of this thing. I don't think that's gonna work out for this guy. Who is it? Oh no, that's Josh Archibald. He's pretty low to the ground on the back of this. I don't know if that's gonna work out for him. And then we have Kevin Archibald, Josh's dad, here with this van. And we got Kevin right there in that van, Camry. Some well-built vehicles here again. Oh, what do we have over here? 06. A Caravan. Newer style Caravan. Hopefully this thing does pretty good out there.
So we'll just shoot sandwich, Jack, so it's got to do something.
Oh, it's gonna do something. And then we have Chris over here, still building this car.
Oh, just finished.
Just finished building this car. Teamwork makes the dream work, boys. We have a Buick Sentry, what it looks like coming up in here. Toyota Sienna. That one there looks looks tough. I like the rims on the back of it. We got an old Cavalier. You don't see too many of those anymore. Now this is a newer style Camry here. This looks like an 06. Wow. I like that. Looks stock, looks good. Cobalt. Got a Cobalt here. We got another Camry here, grinding away on it. Honda Civic two-door. This one here is like an 06. Another Dodge Caravan. Well, look at the tires on the front of that thing. You're gonna get lots of traction out there. I think this is gonna be a derby of whoever doesn't get stuck. We got ourselves another Caravan over here. Looks like they're just doing some final touches to it. Now this one right here, I heard it had a turbo coming in. Could you guys know what this is? I know what this is. I'll give you a couple seconds to figure out what it is. It might have the nameplate at the back. Oh, it does. It's a Volvo. Another Camry over here. That thing looks like it's a little beat up. And then what do we have over here? An Envoy. This looks like a very well built Envoy over here. Hopefully that thing does pretty good. So thanks for coming with me and looking around the cars that have showed up here at the Schomberg Demolition Derby. There's going to be probably a couple more coming in. There's a couple that come in usually pretty late, but I might not get them. So what they usually do here is they usually do heats, and then they pick the top 3 or 4 to go to finals. And I don't know, it's usually pretty good. Stick with us, guys, and hopefully you enjoy the Derby coming up.